Hey everybody, it is day 28 of my month here in Mexico. I realized today that there are actually two things that I'm excited to get back to the States for. Number one is not having to lug jugs of water up and down the stairs. I'm super excited to be able to use my water bottle and just go to the tap and we're good to go. The other thing that I'm excited about is just having easy salads. I feel like I have completely just gone off the rails with eating enough green food, and so I'm definitely looking forward to just having easy produce. Other than those two things, I love it here and I never want to come home, so we'll just see what happens, but I love Mexico. Over the weekend, I had the opportunity to take a ceviche class from one of the top chefs for ceviche in Mexico City. His name is Rodrigo Estrada, and he has two restaurants here. The first is Agua and it's in Polanco, and the other one is Yemanyá. It just opened, it's fantastic, and it's in Roma. In the class, we learned how to make 5 different ceviches plus an aguachile. The secrets that I learned, or at least the ones that I will reveal to you, on how to make a proper ceviche is that you have to use key limes, the little ones. Their juice is much sweeter and it's better tasting overall. It has a better flavor profile. And then the other tip is after you chop your onions, you put them in an ice bath. This way they stay super cold and crispy and add a lovely texture element to your ceviche. Of course, the number one thing is the fish. You have to have super good, super fresh fish. Usually not a very fatty one is kind of what Rodrigo prefers. It tends to help make the flavor come out a little bit brighter. And then you need to maintain temperatures while you're preparing your ceviche. So you don't want to just have the fish sitting out while you're chopping the limes. Keep everything cool and refrigerated until you're really ready to eat. Without further ado, here is a little taste of my ceviche class. some ceviche right now. It may not come out as pretty as that. Those were the lovely decorations from Rodrigo. However, I definitely feel like now I can at least give it a try and come out with something that'll be edible, hopefully pretty, and you know, we do what we can. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. I'm more than happy to make a referral for this class, so if you're interested, let me know. Hit me up on social media, or of course, use the contact us page on my website, becauseSheCanTravel.com. That's it for now. Adios, amigos.